Just now today, before starting the session, in my office there is a counselor is there named Vasundhara. Just I asked her, Vasundhara, do you know Vasundhara Raje? There is one lady is there with your name. Do you aware that? Like, no, sir. Like, can you check in Google? Or otherwise, just beside him, there is a Lakshmani admin. He's telling, sir, she is ex-CM of Rajasthan. Like, yeah, your name is CM name, ma'am. Like, just connect the name with some other. Okay, Nagendra Kumar. Then immediately I told, hey, with your name, there is a hero name associated, man. Like Dinesh. My faculty name is also Dinesh only. Like map this person name with some other. Then you never going to forget. Have you remembered the person who provided matrices and cart to me? What is his name? The person who provided cart and matrices to me. What is his name? You forgot.
Parikshit.
Parikshit. Wonderful. Hare, how you remembered? Have you observed how you remembered? It's very simple. Whenever I met that person first time, okay, 10 minutes we discussed only about his name, man. Now Parikshit name, a special name. You never going to see this type of name. This name is proposed by, kept by Lord Sri Krishna for the son of Abhimanyu. Why the name is Parikshit? Do you know why the name is Parikshit? This just Parshuram, not Parshuram. Who is that person? Brahmastra, Ashwadhama used Brahmastra. Okay. So before born only, this person died. Then automatically rebirth provided by Lord Sri Krishna. So that's he told already this person is tested before birth only. Parikshit. So before birth only this person is okay, what tested. That's why let me keep the name as Parikshit. Parikshane face chesadu. Okay, this person already faced. Okay, Parikshit. That's why this person became a big king. After Pandavas, this person is going to rule the whole India, the whole kingdom, like the user, yeah, tested one, Parikshit. We had a discussion 10 minutes about this. Believe me, I never going to forget his name. He never going to forget me. In his lifetime, about his name, no person discussed at least 10 minutes. Correct, right? Okay. In these styles, you require to remember the people names.